Welcome to Jay Has Heart.
Human nature tells us, that ain't gonna work out. Oh, that outfit don't look good. Oh, I'm not pretty enough. Human nature tells you that. Society tells you that. Positive thinking says, in spite of what I see, I'm gonna look at the positive. If I have some water and it's only half full, a lot of us say, I want a full glass of water, it's half full. A lot of others might say, at least I have half a glass of water. What I teach you is, how do I look at something and see positivity? How do I look at the wall and if I don't see paint on it yet still recognize it's a wall that protects me? House. How do I look at a situation that happens in my life where I didn't get the grade that I want, the girl that I want, the dude that I want, and say to myself, there's better coming after. Yeah. Here we are at Antigua State College for another episode, for another rendition or another edition of Dream Big Day. I will never stop. I will never quit. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. I will persist. I will persist. I will persist. I will win. I will win. I will win every single day. When I walk out my bathroom, my wife is like, are you okay? I'm like, I'm okay. I'm ready for the day because I'm not trying to make it through the day. I'm trying to dominate today.
Welcome to Jay Has Heart.
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 Welcome to Jay Has Heart.